On to some news that's breaking this minute. As per the army sources, disengagement between the Indian and the Chinese army is complete at the patrolling point 17. Now with this, the disengagement is complete at the patrolling points of 14, 15 and 17. Let me bring in our National Affairs editor Shrunjoy for further updates on this. Shrunjoy, what are your sources telling you? We did earlier report of the disengagement process complete at both 14 and 15. Now this is another point where the patrolling process and the disengagement is being done. What happens from here on? Are there any more points where the disengagement process needs to be done?
Well, as far as the Galwan area is concerned, Galwan, Hot Springs, Gogra, all three are clear. The Chinese have moved back, and they have moved back across the line of actual control, even according to the Indian perception. So that is fine. The only other thing is that there has been some thinning out of Chinese troops in the area which is called Finger 4. This is in the Pangong area. The Chinese had moved up from Finger 8 to Finger 4. Now there is a thinning out in Finger 4, which is a good sign. But clearly they are still there. They have not moved back entirely from Finger 4. There has been a thinning out nevertheless. So there are going to be talks. There will be a working mechanism talk fairly soon, in a few days. And that working mechanism talk will naturally relate to the areas which are yet to be sorted out, like the Finger area in Pangong and also Depsang. So we will have to see when that happens. That's likely very, very soon is what we are hearing on the WMCC. And also there will be after the WMCC, Lieutenant General Harinder Singh and his counterpart, Major General Lin Liu will be meeting. So there are two meetings lined up, and we will have to see what are the positive results or any results that come out of them. Let's not forget that this entire problem started on the 6th of May, and we are on the 8th of July. So clearly, 9th of July. So clearly, a lot of time has taken place, has gone, and there has been that violent clash in between. But there is hope that things will improve in the Pangong area and also in the Depsang area in the way Galwan has, because the Indian government believes that you should do one area at a time, and that is precisely what is happening.
Okay. All right, Shrunjoy, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates.